Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to my Unbound Infinite channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can download, how you can restore all the files of torrent folder. Okay, so I have a torrent folder right over here. Don't skip this video. Okay, don't ever skip this video. This is very important. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have incomplete files on my download folder. So I have this folder Udemy. Okay, this is the folder where I don't have, you know, uh, this is the folder where I don't have, uh, you know, all the files that I need. All right. So what do we have to do? I don't have the torrent file. Okay, I don't have the torrent file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna be downloading this torrent file from the free course site. Okay, let me check my history, and I will go to my uh what free stop, not this one. Uh-huh. uh Free course site. Just be patient. Okay, this is the course that I was downloading from Udemy. I might get copyright strike. It's very risky to show you this tutorial, but anyways, I'm gonna be clicking this, and I'm gonna be downloading that torrent for restoring my file. Okay, you don't need the previous torrent. You just download it. I just open it, and yeah, and there is a trick. Okay, so how do you do this? I go to my uTorrent downloads, and the trick that I'm going to be using is, now there is there is modern HTML CSS from beginning. I'm not going to be going into that folder. I'm going into the directory where this folder exists. Now I'm going to be selecting this. You don't need previous download, or you don't need previous torrent file in order to do this. So click on OK, and then it will check for that torrent. It will check what is missing on that folder. You don't need any, you don't need your, you don't need any kind of, torrent file. You don't need to recover the previous torrent file. Just download the torrent file from whichever site you want, and all you have to make sure is you have the same file over here. I mean, you have exactly the same name of the folder that you downloaded originally. If this is not, if this is not uh, as original, if the name of the folder is not as original, then you will not be able to download. Okay, so many of the people will say you that you should recover. They will show you something like temp app data, like they will recommend some app data. I don't know how to recover torrent from this method, but this is actually the useful method. All you have to do is download that same torrent on on the same folder where this exists. Okay, so you should download on for an example, I have a lot of tutorial here, but this is the thing. This is the tutorial that I'm looking for. Okay, but what you have to do is you have to download the tutorial or whatever the torrent file is. Make sure that you are downloading on the same folder, and this modern HTML and CSS from beginning, this should be this should be that. This should be uh, you know the same. This should be exactly the same. The name of this file should be exactly the same. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Let me check, and it has checked 90, 93. Let me wait until 100% so that you can see it's already always it will be it will continue to download from, it will continue to download from where it left. So 98%, only 2% of file is missing from my folder, so it will gonna download all that. Thank you for watching this tutorial.